How's it going, gents? Here we are today doing a bit of camping, forward driving, bit of dirt bike riding, and we're checking out a cool product today. I think it is magic. It is an amazing piece of equipment. It is called the Bluetti. It is a 2000 watt hour lithium battery and a 2000 watt inverter. Currently, it is making some toast and boiling some water. Actually at 27 degrees, warming up. It is an amazing piece of machinery. So, this is a portable power station basically, and it has 2000 watts of AC power. I think it can peak up to 4000 watts as well, and also tons of DC power. So you've got USB-C, a bunch of USBs here, some cigarette plugs, all sorts of inputs and outputs. I don't know all the technicalness about this. Right now, what, 1600 watts. So what's that? It's running the kettle and the toast. So I've also got my oven and a full coffee machine. Bit of glamping. Bit of glamping now, aren't we, Kathy?
Yes.
But pretty cool little machine. So it's got a little screen on it here, and it can tell you all the fancy things. But we're going to test this out this weekend. Test this out to the max. It's going to be -1 tonight. A cold evening out here. Oh, there's toast. Look at that. Look at that.
Can you have a little far up here?
Beautiful toast. And how's the kettle going? Look at that, it's just boiling. Doing it at the same time. So we're going to test this out. We're going to make a lot of toast, put some things in the oven, make some espresso coffees, boil lots of water, and also I'm going to run a heated blanket all night. See if that burns through this amazing thing. Now this is not connected to anything, just standalone. It's also, do you have your phone?
Not at the moment.
I've got to test, these are great. These are wireless charging pads. You can put 2 of them. Just chuck your phone on it and charges them up. So just to show what I had before I got the Bluetti, is I use this. This is a really cheap, terrible version of that. But it's a lot less powerful. This is only 1500 watts. The Bluetti is 2000 and peaks even higher. And this is only a 100 amp hour lithium battery, and it's terrible. It's got a bunch of really terrible connections, some Anderson plugs, and just, it's not very good. And you got to strap an inverter onto it. I guess the only benefit is it actually is connected to the car. So I've got a big fuse down here and stuff, and it is connected to the alternator, so it's always charging. But that's what I had beforehand, and what I used to use as a dual battery system in the Jeep. But the Bluetti is a lot neater of a package and a lot nicer. So well, this usually does about, you know, some toast and a couple coffees, and then it's dead. We're going to test the shit out of the Bluetti, see if it how it compares to traditional lithium deep cycle battery and a crappy Adventure Kings inverter in the back of the Jeep. We'll compare. Right, gents, it is 5 degrees. It's going to get to a low of, I think like -1 or something tonight. Wife is in my good sleeping bag. I have the cheap sleeping bag, but I'm going to use this Bluetti. Turn her on. Get the heated blanket going. I'm going to see if I can run a heated blanket all night. There we go. Heated blanket. What are we using? 200 watts. Let's see if that can run all night, because it is going to be a cold one. Heated blanket. Let's go. Heated blanket is now on my wife. Too cold last night. 63%. Still pumping out the watts. In the morning. Oh, look at this sunrise. Alrighty, gents, what a morning. Ice cold, 0 degrees. Sun's coming up just over the hill there. Got the breakfast going. So we've got the Bluetti cranking along. Got the toast on. Got the milk frothing for the coffee. Just boiled the kettle for some tea. Bloody gonna be a beautiful morning. Sun's coming up. Ran this thing all night with the heated blankets, and we're still at only like 50%. So the toaster and the milk frother only using 1200 watts. I ran the heated blanket all night in that thing, and it still got plenty of juice. Noisy cows down there. Just got the coffee done. Tea for the wife. Some toast. This is the best. This is the best. This is glamping, boys. No more roughing it. Wake up, Brendan. Tea and coffee. Toast.
You got some toast down for me?
Yep. Toast is ready to go, mate. Kangaroos are hopping by. The breakfast station is open, Brendan.
Hell yeah.
Tea, coffee, toast. Beautiful, mate. Birds are flying over. Kangaroos were jumping just before, Brendan.
A lot of moisture about.
Mist. Misty hills. What a beautiful morning. So we got our charging inputs here. That's what charges from your house. That's what charges from solar. And then you've got plenty of inputs over here. You've got big DC input, a couple of little inputs. Comes with a whole bunch of cables as well. Cigarette lighter, USB. What have I done? USB-C here, which is a like a high-powered USB-C, and then the AC connectors. Toast is done. Grab that, Bren dog.
That's right. You charged, right?
Perfect, I'm charged.
You charged with all this battery stuff?
Look at that. Beautiful. Get some butter on it, mate. That's all you need.
Bit of honey.
Yeah. Milk's almost frothed up. Yeah, she's all frothy. Water's boiled, mate. All thanks to the Bluetti. All thanks. She's running the camping trip.
Imagine after all this you were pronouncing the name wrong or something. It's a free.
I hope I'm not.
Go through everything.
I love this thing, man. This is the best.
Cool.
Dual battery. You're going in the bin after this. Crappy Aldi dual battery and Adventure Kings inverter. Welcome to the bin. You've been replaced.
It's kind of cool that you can move it.
Oh, just yeah,
like, you
leave
don't
it in
have
the
to be
tent.
off the back of your truck the whole time.
Have it in the tent. Run the heated blanket all night.
Yeah.
All right, learning things with the new Bluetti. So we've got AC and DC on, so we can use these wireless charging. Look at that, on charge. Charge,
bro.
DC, AC on. We can get the toast going.
Fully charged.
Just great, isn't it?
Luxury, man.
We're glamping. Remember we ride on WRs and we're bloody sleeping in trash bags, and
those are the days, man.
now we got frothed milk. And the only reason we're not using that coffee machine is because I forgot the coffee pods. So this is just for decorative purposes. We'll bring the coffee pods next time, boys. Camp packed up. Big day of activities. Bluetti, let's see what we got her down to. Made a lot of breakfast. Heated blanket all night. Let's see what we wound her down to. I'm surprised she survived the whole day. 21%, we still got juice left. After all of that, how many coffees, how much toast, how many litres of boiling water, and a heated blanket all night. And we still got juice. What a machine. What a magic box.